Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop a PDF in iLovePDF in 2026 using the crop PDF tool. Now let's jump right in. Now cropping a PDF helps you remove unwanted margins, white space, scanner borders, or unnecessary content. So you're gonna first head to iLovePDF by typing in iLovePDF in the search bar. Then you're gonna make sure to enter the website. And then you're going to open the crop PDF tool. You're going to click on edit PDF. Then you're going to click on the crop PDF tool. Make sure to go to this section to find the crop PDF tool easily. Then you're going to click on crop PDF. Now once you click on it, wait for it to load. Now once it's loaded, you're going to click select a PDF. You're going to upload your PDF file. And then you're going to choose how you want to crop it. You're going to wait for it to load. Then once it's loaded, you're going to click and click on the current page, or either select all the pages right here. And then you can use this tool to crop. For example, you're going to select a text box right here. Then you're going to click on crop PDF. As you can see here, we removed the margins. So we're going to click on crop PDF. And then we're going to download the PDF. And as you can see here, I'm going to open PDF and there will be no margins. As you can see here, the margins has been deleted and cropped. And next, you're going to drag the crop box and that's it. Many users crop the PDFs for presentations, ebooks, scanned documents, and printing. Another huge tip is checking multiple pages if your PDF contains different layouts. Once everything looks good or correct, click crop PDF and wait for the processor to download the updated file. And finally, cropping can make documents look much clearer and more professional. And that's it. Now you know how to crop a PDF in iLovePDF in 2026. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.